A lot of people use the word kutta kutia loosely. It's not supposed to be an abuse. But then, if my husband is using it also casually to address me, then I don't like it. So, you tell me, should I get angry or should I just let it pass? Because is it an abuse or is it a joke? If you're joking and you're calling your partner kutta or kutia, is it supposed to be a compliment or a sarcasm or an underlining verbal abuse? It's up to you guys to decide. I don't have time for all this low class arguments. Yeah, really. I just wish I'm working on my shooting set and away from all this shit. टेलीविजन का अभी तक जीत ईयर स्टैम्प क्रोनोलॉजी के हिसाब से अरेंज नहीं हुआ है. Just right now I'm checking again. Kindly do the needful, please. I want you to change this picture. Use the new pictures that I've sent you. Remove Sangram and my picture from the website as of now. And yeah, the solo picture also. I don't think it looks nice. Just put my portfolio pictures that I've sent you. Picture is still not changed. See, I'm refreshing the laptop. It is still the same. Change it to the new portfolio pictures that I've given you now. You have tried to use this picture, but don't use this picture. The sitting one is fine, the small one. We can mix it with that dumbbell one. Yellow one, let it be on the main page. येलो वाले में भी बहुत सारी अच्छी पिक्चर्स है जहाँ पे हैंड इज़ लुकिंग मच मोर फेमिनाइन. वो पिक्चर भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. मैंने आपको ईमेल भेजा हुआ है. एंड दिस सॉन्ग दैट आई डन इन तेलुगु नो ऑपोजिट दैट सुमंत, it was called that Champa Ka Mala, and in this song I was supposed to do the item song after the corporate's item song, but then this guy Sumant and his team got hold of Abhinyashri and Alfonsa. Now I can't find the video of that song, but I had seen the photo. They had made me wear some hideous clothes. बट वो सॉन्ग नहीं मिल रहा है. ठीक है, I'll try. Otherwise, just ask your team now to search for this song, which was in a Telugu film Mahanandi. ठीक है, so that we can use it. The heroine here was that Anushka Shetty, who was in Bahubali. But at that time, it was something very weird going on, so I don't want to comment. Anyways, it was just very difficult for me to shoot the song. Yeah, so yeah. Picture in that background summary, it looks smarter and younger of Sangram and me. And my mother remembers that this Sumant and his team was so funny. We were actually like running from the sets. It was in Ramoji Rao. It was like a jail. So yeah, South industry is not that professional as it is projected to be also. Or probably earlier there were, things that were happening everywhere. So let's not paint just Bollywood as bad. तो ये सब जो सामान है ना, जूसर और ये सब, ये हम खोखे में डालेंगे. सूटकेस को हम गोनी में डाल देंगे. ऊपर का सामान भी हम खोखे में डालेंगे. कार्डबोर्ड ऐसा होना चाहिए कि ये 2 बैग और थोड़ा और कपड़े उसमें फिट आ जाए. ठीक है, ये कैबिन बैग जितना होता है. Being my mother, she has sent theplas from Ahmedabad. Can you beat it? All this stuff because I don't have space here. I need to make my house a little light. So this is the kind of business I should do for food from here to Dubai and from here to US. My mother के किचन में FSSAI का लाइसेंस लेके वहाँ अहमदाबाद से ही सारा कुछ कुरियर करना चाहिए to US and Dubai. मतलब हाँ, my mother can monitor a kitchen. No, we'll take a commercial space in Ahmedabad where she'll monitor all this thepla veplas. Yeah, this is a good idea. So you should set the business in Ahmedabad. Things my mother has sent. This is the methi ka thepla. This is something else that she has sent. Wow. This is also something else. This is new. इट्स ऑल वैक्यूम पैक्ड। और मैं वहाँ पर अहमदाबाद में ये कमर्शियल स्पेस लेके ये सब मशीन्स अहमदाबाद में ही लेके मम्मी को मॉनिटर करने के लिए बोलूँगी और अहमदाबाद से दुबई भेजूँगी, अहमदाबाद से यूएस भेजूँगी, बॉम्बे से नहीं। Base will be Ahmedabad because Veena can monitor the cooking and she can monitor her house. See? Oh, Aish, wow, she sent me some new chutney. Awesome, look at this. Awesome, 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 awesome. All this has come from Ahmedabad. Payal. So, Healthy Hustle Kitchen can be established in Ahmedabad because this has come from Ahmedabad to Bombay. The same courier can go from Ahmedabad to Dubai and US markets. Yes, this is all theplas that have been made under my mother's supervision. So, a commercial space can be bought in Ahmedabad and my mother can monitor it because she doesn't have to then leave the city because she has duties towards her family. So she can monitor this kitchen and we can have a commercial space. We can buy vacuum packing machines and we can have this sent to Dubai and US market. Yes, we can do this. Yeah, baby, this is called Veena Rohatki. And she sent me something like this also. Awesome! Healthy Hustle. See, Hiral, as you are based in Ahmedabad and your referral, Manish is also based in Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is also a good place to now start anything related to food. From Ahmedabad, the kitchen can be established and the food can go directly to Dubai. Now you are based in Dubai and you have tie-ups in Dubai. So you can get Healthy Hustle tie-ups done in Dubai. We can establish a commercial space which has iCloud Kitchen as well as tie-ups. We do tie-ups because we have to understand that our tie-ups have to be very important for the ROI, return on investments, to happen. So Dubai market you can handle. US market we'll see how and when to get into. But as you had connected with Sangram when we were in Dubai, and Sangram just told me that he connected with you and you connected with him. We were really sorry we could not meet up. But now that you are also having base in Dubai and Ahmedabad and you are having a great knowledge about operations, do connect with my husband and let him know if you are able to figure the investment part out, because this is something which is needed abroad. I have traveled with my husband and I know how desperate Indians are who are vegetarian to eat proper healthy vegetarian food. मतलब बीट बोल के बीफ खिला देते हैं. So you have to understand how one has to keep one's eyes and ears open wherever they go outside India. अरे वहाँ पे बबल वो पैकिंग होता है, होता है बबल पैकिंग ना, तो उसको कर सकते हैं, तो पूछ लेना वहाँ पे जाके। ये नीचे से अगर कुछ अभी उसने डेलिकेट अंदर कुछ नहीं करना ना बबल पैकिंग, कुछ तो नहीं करना ना।